In today's air conditioning and furnace manufacturing world, there is incredible consolidation. And as these manufacturers diversify and absorb market share, we're seeing a copycat mentality emerge. When someone does something good, the other brands follow very quickly. A great analogy is the car industry. Take Ford, for example. Within the Ford brand, you also have Lincoln, but when you pop the hood on the Lincoln, it's Ford Engineering. We see that all over the place in our industry as well. There are 6 primary HVAC equipment manufacturers in the US today, operating as more than 150 brand names. Here are some brands that come off the same manufacturing lines, just different paint, labels, and marketing. Ruud and Rheem, Trane and American Standard, Carrier, Payne, Bryant, and Tempstar, Lennox, Armstrong, and Concord, York, Lux, and Coleman, and Goodman and Amana. With advancements in technology and testing machinery, these manufacturers can put these products to the test as part of the manufacturing process. They all have custom weather labs and put their systems under extreme conditions to see what elements will fail under certain circumstances. So if most brands have similar parts, undergo extreme testing requirements, and have access to similar technology, what's the difference? As you compare your units with any brand category, the HellGuard is one leading indicator of the unit quality you're getting. An open or visible HellGuard tends to lean more toward the builder grade category because when a unit becomes dirty, the unit tends to see a loss of efficiency, which can be very hard on the unit. You often see this open HellGuard design on the more economical brands because lower cost homes and rental properties may need a little help from the rain to keep the unit clean. As you increase brand quality, you will see more of a closed HellGuard design. In these higher end units, annual maintenance becomes especially important as you may not know or be able to see how dirty the condenser units are. Warranty coverage is another factor you will notice as you move up or down in brand quality. Some entry-level brands have a parts-only warranty, and some higher-end units are paired with a parts, labor, and lifetime unit replacement warranties. Before deciding, clarify the warranty coverage as you compare units and installations. At Golden Rule, we've chosen to partner with American Standard as well as Ruud. We are confident in standing by these great, reliable brands. As dealers, we need a ton of support from the manufacturers. We are constantly working with these brands to forecast product availability and working with their teams when needs arise. We get excellent support from our 2 manufacturing companies in the Des Moines Metro. They support us to ensure we can put our homeowners in the best position. It's a huge deal that they can get us these units and parts that we need to support you. Like your automobile, your HVAC system is not made to run forever. Any machine with moving parts will have quirks and flaws that will expose themselves over time and depend on usage. The poorer it's made, the sooner you may experience some of these issues. However, the 2 most significant factors when it comes to the life of your system are proper installation, how well the system was taken care of and serviced. These guardrails will help you as you evaluate the right brand for you. Ultimately, it's the dealer that makes the difference. Your installation expert and service partner will be why your system gets the prolonged lifespan it's supposed to versus having a short lifespan. Beyond the brand, choosing a trusted and reputable installer who will do it right the first time and support your comfort after the installation is the most important. We look forward to meeting you soon.